In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an additional member to your Norton with Lifelock subscription. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can follow along easily. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Norton website. This is the trusted portal where you can manage all your subscription details securely. Once you're on the site, navigate to the My Account section. You'll typically find this option on the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on My Account will direct you to the login page if you aren't already signed in. Next, you'll need to enter your Norton account credentials to access your account. Click the Sign In button once you have filled in your details. If by any chance you've forgotten your login credentials, you can easily reset them by following the on-screen instructions to recover your account, ensuring you regain access to your subscriptions swiftly. After you've successfully signed in, proceed to the Norton home page. This is essentially your dashboard, where all your services are listed and accessible for easy management. On this page, you'll find a plethora of options. However, our focus is on managing subscriptions to add more users. Moving on, navigate to the Norton My Subscription area. This section is crucial as it provides an overview of all your active subscriptions, allowing you to manage them effectively. Within this area, you'll want to locate the option labeled My Subscriptions. Clicking on this will take you to a detailed list where you can see all subscriptions associated with your account. Once there, look for the Download or Share option. You'll use this feature to share your subscription with an additional member, giving them access to the great benefits that come with Norton security and identity theft protection services. Selecting this option allows you to either download the installation file or generate a link to share directly with the person you wish to add. Remember, it's advisable to inform the new member that they'll be receiving an invitation to join under your subscription. Make sure they have a clear understanding of what the Norton with Lifelock services entail, ensuring they can also protect their devices and personal information effectively. Thanks to your newfound ability to add additional members, your Norton subscription's security umbrella can now extend its protection to others. This process combines ease of use with robust protection capabilities, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. If you run into any issues or have further questions, Norton's support team and their comprehensive online resources are readily available to assist you. That's it for today's guide on adding an additional member to your Norton with Lifelock subscription. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful how-to guides. Thank you for watching and have a great day.